Okay, so let's sketch some graphs. And these are 4 exponentials. You know, it's the same kind of thing we did in the homework last night with radical functions, right? We knew the basic shape, we moved them around. We know the basic shape, let's move it around. Is this exponential growth or exponential decay? It's growth because 3 is greater than 1, right? So if I graph it, it's going to look like this. Right? And it has an asymptote here. Okay. How does it change the graph if you add 1 inside the function? Is it up, down, left, or right? Left 1, right? That means left. Left. So if I take this graph, the black line, and I move it 1 to the left, does it move the asymptote? Right? If I take this horizontal line and move it to the left 1, it's still in the same spot. Right? What moves, the only point we really have here is the y-intercept. So that 0, 1 now becomes negative 1, 1, and we could sketch the graph like that. Okay? How about the third one? Okay, 3 to the x minus 4. So the minus 4 is after the function. Up, down, left, or right? Down 4. Okay? If I move the graph of the black line down 4, does it move the asymptote? Sure it does. If you take a horizontal, the whole graph, and you move it down 4, the asymptote is now here. Okay, now here's our new asymptote. Y equals negative 4. Right? The y-intercept, which was 1, will now be 3. But the shape of the graph is mostly the same. Something like that. What would you say is the domain of that? All real numbers. It doesn't, we expect an exponential to be all reals in the domain. And moving it up or down or left or right doesn't change that. How about the range? Did that change the range? What's the new range? No. Greater than negative 4, right? Don't say negative 3. A lot of students try to only latch on to the whole number, the integer values. But this line is getting infinitely close to y equals negative 4. So we need every decimal we can that is just a little bit more than negative 4. So don't start it at negative 3. It's y greater than negative 4. Okay, what about the last one? What's going on in this one? The minus 3 inside the function means right 1. The minus 1 after means down 1, right? So I should go right 3, down 1. So the down 1 is going to move our asymptote. 3 and down 1 is going to move the y-intercept. Right 3, down 1. So the new graph looks like that. And again, the domain is all real numbers. The range is y greater than negative 1, right? Negative 1.